Good afternoon all. It's been a while. Whew. Rocking a new kit from BK, and then our new uniform by Bibs. So we're heading to my bike mechanic to do the checkup for my Scott. So yeah, because the bottom bracket is a bit broken, something like clicking, I don't know, probably the bearing is catching my breath. I need to go back to training after my trip from Guangzhou, Dongguan. I haven't been into a ride since I think Ed's farewell ride. So pretty out of shape. Fucking hell. So yeah. Phew. Just crossing. Alright. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today. So Saturday. I said to myself, get your lazy butt up and do some riding. So now we're riding to the bike shop. Anyway, yeah, the reason I need to go back to training, I have a race coming up on the 25th of March and 1st of April, so I really need to go back to, you know, to my fitness, because I won't survive. On the 25th, it's 200 kilometers, probably about 2,000 meters of climbing or more. And then on the 1st, I think it's 100k, but it's gonna be a fast pace, so I'm gonna be with my team. So you don't want to get dropped again and again and again, because they're pretty much in form. Most of them are, you know, in shape. So I really need to get back to where I was last year, like June. So yeah. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys later. Hee-hoo!